So the software is basically successfully downloaded here. I just need to start the installation procedure. Go to download, double click the installation package like this, and it will take some time. So you just need to wait for a couple of seconds to start the procedure. It is asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. You need to provide some administrative support for administrative, basically, uh, you can say allow. You can allow administratively to install this software. You just need to click on OK. You need to click on install. It will take some couple of minutes to install this software. So you need to be very patient. Uh, Muhammad Wakar has also shared some picture here. To active log into my NVIVO login in. Wakar, did your software is installed or not? Is it activated?
Just complete, sir.
All right, all right. Start the installation procedure, Dave. It will take some time.
Yes, uh, process is start, sir.
All right, all right. You just need to double click on the downloaded application and follow the step-by-step procedure. Well, it has gone into the second step. The first step is complete of the installation procedure. After the initial installation procedure, it will show you this screen. You just need to follow the step-by-step procedure. You just need to click on next. You need to accept the terms in the license agreement and click next. And then you again need to click on next, click next, and click on install. It will also take several minutes. So I am basically pausing the recordings here. So whenever this step is going to complete, I will again start the recording. The next step is also going to complete. So we just need to wait a couple of minutes more. It is proceeding further. So you just need to wait with patience in order to complete this procedure. All right, NVIVO installer completed. You just need to click on finish. When the installation complete, it will show you uh, the the basically logo of NVIVO here. You just need to double click on it. Now it requires me to put my login information here. I just need to click on it in order to provide it my login information that I have entered uh, at the downloading stage of this website where I have created my login credential here. So you just need to log in here. You just need to wait for a couple of seconds more. One thing I would like to let you know that each time You start your laptop with NVIVO software. You don't need to provide the login information again and again. This is only one time that you need to provide the login information again after the software installation. Once the installation is completed, it is interrupted. Do you want to try it again? Yes. You just need to click it yes until unless the procedure is completed. Well, I was showing you the procedure of installation. We just need to wait a couple of minutes, and it is based on the uh, it is based on the internet speed as well as the installation procedure. It may take a couple of minutes, so you just need to wait with patience. So I am just pausing the recording procedure here so that I can start the recording again when the current screen would go into the next procedure. So just wait for a couple of minutes. So you just need to click on the login button, and after that you need to click on activate trial. You just need to click on it. The license is now being activated. Click on OK. So the first screen you see in front of you is basically the user profile. You need to provide your complete name here. For example, my name is Zahir Bashir. So I provide initial as ZB. So I just need to click on OK, and it will show me the initial screen of NVIVO software. So you just need to minimize this and you will see the screen like this. Dave, have you followed the procedure? At what stage your installation is here?
Yes, yes, sir.
Have you reached this stage, which is I
Y-
am
ye-
doing?
yes, yes, sir. Yes.
All right, all right. So let's wait for the software to initialize. All right. This is the first screen that you will see when you basically log in your information. And if you can see here, it is written trial 13 days remaining because it does not count today. So including today, we have 14 days, and excluding today, we have 13 days remaining. So what is the first thing that you need to do? You need to create a new project. So I need to show you how to create a new project. This is the first screen that you will see. You will be asked to provide the title of the project. First, you need to write the title of the project here. So click on new project and write here the title of the project. For example, I would like to write here my first project. Now you can see here where this project is located. This project is located C user Zahir document my first project. You can change this directory. You can go to browse. You can go to the desktop. You can create here for example, new folder, my required space for NVIVO. You just need to double click on it and save it. Now it will show you in this directory. It is up to you whether you would like to provide the description of the project or not. Keep a log of user action. You just need to do, you just don't need to do anything here. You click on the next button. Now it is the auto save option. It will give you a reminder of saving what process you have done during your procedure in NVIVO after 10 minutes. You can increase or decrease this timer. So when you write the project title, it will automatically allocate file location as per file name box. However, you can change this location as I have done. Click next to proceed. In the next window, you are asked to provide the time limit to auto save your files. You can increase or decrease this time limit, or you may go with the default. Click create project. So after defining the time limit, for example, I can decrease this time limit. I want that after every 10 minutes, it will give me the reminder to save my project. So I just need to click on the create project. After clicking on it, it will show you another window. You just need to wait for a couple of seconds. Now it looks like this. You just need to wait for the new window to appear. Now it would look like this. If you see this window, it would provide you a tour of how to use the NVIVO. Welcome to NVIVO, the #1 software for qualitative data analysis. It is easy to get started. Take the tour to discover power of NVIVO. So it will let you know how to import, organize, explore, and centralize the data. First, I would like to let you know from here, because this is the file I have created during my procedure for analyzing my own data. So this is the welcome window that you have seen previously. So what you need to do here, I personally recommend that if you are a new user of NVIVO, you should watch it and carefully to understand the whole procedure. It will guide you step by step. So I will let you know how to use the procedure. So you just need to click on it if you are a new user. Start tour. It will let you know that in order to import the file, you can click on the import button, and then you can the file appear in the file folder on the left side. You can put detail over here in order to import the data. Then you can create codes or themes. As I have discussed with you previously, the line by line coding, the axial coding, the selective coding. So you can create codes here. So I will let you know how to create the codes. Then you can also create the case classification, like demographic classification, socioeconomic classification, gender-based classification, location-based classification. So this is the option you can use. Case classification are the collection of attribute you assign, like gender, location, or age. So here you can classify your data on the basis of their demographic details or demographic attributes like gender, location, or age. So you can also code them on the basis of their cases. Then you can also provide some notes if they are necessary to provide further detail, uh, like annotation or notes relevant to selected portion of the files. say a comment about a photo in a newspaper article. Sometimes there are certain things that you need to provide as an additional detail. So you can use memos or annotation to provide some further details that you do not want to reveal into your analysis procedure. But in order for your own understanding, you can provide this detail related to any respondent or any code or any data category here in memos or annotations. Then you have query section. You can save query search criteria to run at different times as your project develops and slice of every time query. So I will let you know how to use the query section. This is basically the procedure that will provide you your output data. You can create a number of graphs, a number of diagrams, a number of thematic you can say hierarchy charts or etc. here in the query procedure. So the cross-tab query is great for insight into your data. It will find correlation in your coding. Then visualization procedure where you can create the output files of your data. Then centralized procedure where you can create the hypothesis or the theory relevant to your qualitative data research. So this is a short description of what you have seen in your procedure. You just need to click on next. Now, this is what you have seen here. If you see on the upward side, you can see here the file option where you can see the file that is basically opened here at the current window. Then you can see the home button. Then you can see the import button. This is the first thing that you should do with your files. Then there is a create option, explore option. Create option is used to create the codes of the data like initial codes, axial codes, or selective codes, theoretical codes. Then this is the explore option that will provide the output files of your data. Like you can create the query wizard, text search, word frequency, matrix coding, queries, charts, hierarchy charts, maps, diagrams, social network analysis. So I will let you know one by one these procedure. Then there is a share procedure if you would like to export your project, copy your project. So there is an option. Then there are modules. These are some advanced options I will let you know. So the first thing that you need to do is the import function. But before that, I would like to show you from here what these options are meant for. The second step is coding. Third step is organize cases. I have told you in detail about it. Then there are option of explore queries. Then there are option of explore visualization. I have discussed in detail. Then step number 7 is centralized. Then the next thing that you need to do is the file creation and import. After completing the guidelines tour, you will see the following window, like home window here. You just need to open the home window like this. This is basically the file window. What you need to do is, the first thing that you need to do is, you would see uh, a file window here. You will see the files, the file classification and external from the left side. If you see here, there are different options here, file classification, externals, files. So what we need to do here, we need to now let's familiar yourself with different parts of this interface. First, you need to understand the interface here. The first thing that you see on the upper top bar is the ribbon bar. If you see here, this is basically this area. This top bar is known as ribbon bar, where you can see a lot of tools here. along with menus related to those tools. So you can easily basically goes to wherever you want to go using these tools, and you can analyze your data using these tools. So the area on the top of the interface, which includes the menus and the tools that the researcher may wish to use during the working on his or her project, that is the navigation view. Whatever you see on the left side is the navigation. So what we have seen here, the top bar is the ribbon bar and the left side is navigation view. So this is navigation. Here you can see a lot of options for data import, a lot of options for organizing the data, a lot of options for cases, nodes, sets, and queries. So this is the blue area is basically the navigation area, and the upper top area is known as ribbon bar. So what are the further things that we need to do? There is less than 1 minute remaining for ending this session. When the session ended, please join again using the same link so that we can proceed further, because this session is going to end at 8:15 p.m. So after 1 minute, within 1 minute, this session is going to end. So join again using the same link so that we can proceed further with the remaining part, because today's part is not completed yet.